Hello. Another part of Starship is done. We're gonna remove it off the plate. This is the fins of the booster. This is the Raptor cover. And this is the, well, second part of the Starship. Let's start with that one. That's the Starship booster Raptor cover. It would be like that. There we are. If you want to see what happened next, because I really want you to see how's everything going in real life, not like behind the camera only. Yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna talk to you soon. All the best. Thanks for your time.